Hello. A bullish week for energy prices this week with conflict in the Middle East having a significant impact. So let's take a look at what's been happening in a bit more detail. Front-month Brent fell over $2.2 per barrel on Monday following signs that Iran wanted a ceasefire with Israel. Prices rose on Tuesday. The front-month contract gained almost $4 per barrel day on day as the Iran-Israel conflict escalated. Tensions continued to escalate throughout Wednesday, with Israel attacking Iran's nuclear sites and Iranian missiles hitting an Israeli hospital. Concerns about possible disruption to oil production and shipment of LNG supported prices. Brent then rose $3.44 per barrel on Thursday. And last night, front-month Brent closed at $78.4 per barrel, which is up almost $5 per barrel compared to last Friday. Prompt prices eased on Monday as warmer weather tempered demand. However, curve contracts remained supported throughout the day. All contracts rose on Tuesday, with market participants largely attributing the gains to conflict in the Middle East. Storage levels was also a key focus, with EU aggregated storage rising to 54% fullness, although this is still 10% below the 5-year average. Overall, contracts eased on Wednesday with an upturn in Norwegian flows. All contracts then jumped higher on Thursday, the Iran-Israel conflict being the primary driver, although wind generation added and a short system added further upward pressure. Last night, all curve contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Wind to 25 gained 10.5 pence per therm and wind to 26 gained 5.4 pence per therm. Contracts were mixed on Monday, however, most curve contracts remained supported by gas. Power prices took direction from bullish gas on Tuesday. Low wind output further supported prompt prices. Prompt and near-term contracts eased on Wednesday, however, curve contracts remain supported by the wider energy complex. And contracts took upward direction from gas on Thursday, although the increases were not as significant as those seen in gas. Last night, all contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Wind to 25 gained £5.1 per megawatt hour, and wind to 26 gained £2.15 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.